Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Today I am going to make two recipes, that is mango chutney. Today I am going to make mango chutney, you can see. And this is chana dal. I am going to grind this, make pakoras and then make the curry out of this. I hope you all will like it. So if you are new to my channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe. So come on, let us start with the recipe. First I will clean the mango. First I will take out the skin. Like this I will peel it. This way I will peel the mango. This way I peeled the mangoes, you can see it's peeled out. Now I am going to cut them. Mangoes are cut like this. I have cut them in this size, like this type. This type. Now I am going to wash it. Put some mustard oil. I have taken 2 dry red chilies. This I'll put in. Taken some panch phoran. This also I will put in. Now I will put in the mango. Put some turmeric powder. Put some chili powder. Put some salt to taste. Now add some water. Add some sugar. Cover it up and let the mangoes cook. You can see the mango chutney is ready. How yummy tasty it's looking. The mango chutney is ready. It's looking so yummy. Very tasty it's looking. Now I'm going to get ready with the chana dal. I'm going to grind it first and then make the pakoris and then I will make the curry with that. Now this, I will grind this. This chana dal is soaked. You can see it. Friends, now to make the chana dal pakodi, I will make some onions cut up, sliced up. This I will mix. Put some turmeric powder. I have cut up some green chilies. This also I will put in. Put some salt to taste and mix it well. This is mixed up well, nicely is mixed up. I have already put up the oil to turn hot. I've put refined oil. In this oil I'm going to fry the pakoris. So this is turning hot now. The oil is turned hot. Now I will leave the pakoris. This way I will fry all the pakoris. The pakoris are fried up well. Now I'll take them out. This way I will fry all the pakoris. The pakoris are fried up. Now I will get ready with the curry. Put mustard oil. Put some bay leaves. Put some cut up sliced onions. I have ground the masalas, that is ginger garlic paste, jeera and black pepper paste. This is red chili paste, and this is onion paste. I have ground all the masalas. This I will use for the curry. Onions are turned golden brown. Now I will put in the masalas. I have put in all the masalas which I have ground and kept. Put some turmeric powder. Put some salt to taste. The masala is turned brown. You can see the masala is already turned brown. Now I'll put in the water. I will put little extra water because if I put the pakoras, it will soak and all the water will be pulled. Now this water bubbles, then I will put the pakoris in. Friends, you can see the gravy bubbling. Now I will put in the pakoris. Now I will let the pakoris also bubble with the gravy for 2 minutes and then take it down. Chana Dal Pakodi curry is ready. You can see, friends, how nice it's come. You can see the pakoris also, how nice it's cooked up. And I have put extra water, that also is dried up. See, it's also, all the pakoris soaked up the water, and the water will be soaked up little more now because there is water in the curry here. You can see the gravy. Still, it is thin here. You can see it. This also will be soaked up by the pakoris. Thank you for watching my video.